Aloha from HawaiianDan of TalkFishTV.com, out here working the backwaters of Long Island in this crazy inclement weather. And yes, there's still fish to be found. The bay anchovies are a little bit small this week and about the 1-inch size, making matching the hatch a little bit tougher. It's crazy weather today. I would say earlier today I got out, the winds were sustained 10 to 15 knots. The wind shut down, the rain turned on, and heck, it's rinsing off all my gear, so a little bit less work for me when I get back to the house. Still a reason to get off that couch and get out there and fish. Send in your videos, your photos, your tips, your techniques, and your reports. And until next week, this is HawaiianDan from TalkFishTV.com reporting back from the fishermen. Now back to you, Tim. Aloha.